As you can see, Lagos, Nigeria, getting ready for church. You can hear the cockerel singing. I don't even know what the camera is at. Is this the camera? Yeah, I'm looking at the camera. Yeah, you can hear the cockerel in the background. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. About 3:30 in the morning, getting ready for church, as you can see. So yeah, it should be fun. Peace. You can see my anyway, that's my brother. He's looking all good. Obviously, you can show the belt, yeah, because he's slimmer. Obviously, I'm bigger, so there's no belt.
Show me.
There's no belt.
Show me. See the belt. No label. Prime, I'm joking. No, that's M&M's.
Trust me, there's no label. This was market stuff. Trust me. But yeah, you ready for church?
No, I'm gonna go home.
What's wrong with you, man? Nah, get ready for church. Get ready for 6-hour church. Hey, church in Africa is no joke, you know. Like, it's no joke. Like, church is almost like school. So anyway, peace, thanks, God bless. So yeah, just finally came out of church. Well, I haven't came out of church. Came back from church a couple hours ago. Just got my jollof rice. Yeah, that's the longest church session I've ever been in my whole life. The life is taken out of me. So much happened. I feel like I've met new friends. I feel like a whole new person afterwards. I was there for a total of 14 hours. Yeah, about 12, 14 hours, yeah. I had to get there around 5 a.m. Sorry about the shaking. Sweating. It's humid in Lagos, you know. But yeah, there's a couple things that happen, you know. Certain things I just want to complain about, even though there's no point in complaining. But you know, I like to make fun of these things. So basically, there was this guy here. Yeah. Basically, this guy, you know when you're singing, yeah, in church, yeah, and then you're not really singing loud because the whole place is singing loud, but the person next to you is putting in extra energy, and he can't sing. So like, you're going, oh Jesus, yeah, I can't sing either. But next to me, he's going, oh Jesus! And he's a man, not even a girl, like, he's just, oh Jesus! I'm thinking of some old mother singing that. And he's just doing that. I don't know what he was on, to be honest. But anyway, God bless that person. You know, that person he was a nice person anyway. It's just the singing threw me way off. This is my handkerchief. I don't even know why I'm using this. This was the handkerchief I was using. The sweat. You know them ones here where you're dancing like this. Left to the right. I was doing this, bro. And with my suit, yeah, my brother said I was looking like some pastor, you know, just loaded locks in there. Anyway, let me show you my food, man. There's so much I can say about it, but I don't want to make fun of it. It's a nice experience. It's just, in Africa, churches are different. You might think the African churches in America or the UK is long. No, go back to Africa itself on a specific Sunday. You will never leave. These songs don't end. They don't end. Like, for example, I've said this in another vlog when I was in church, but that was England. It was about 6 hours, wasn't it? This is 12 hours. So, there was one party song. It was in Yoruba, yeah? I don't have a problem with that. It was a great song. I loved it. Only problem was, it lasted for almost an hour. An hour? Hour? I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. I can't feel my heels. My heels are gone. And the thing is, yeah, that wasn't the first song. That was like the 10th song. And they decided to play an hour-long, you know, traditional party remix, praising the Lord. I love that. Don't get me wrong. It's all nice. It's good. Like, oh, yeah, I love that. Yeah, but the drums started getting a bit faster. So it wasn't boom, boom, boom. It was more like boom, 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 boom. You freaking damn. Anyways, let me show the food I got, man. I don't want to rant too long. So let me show you my jollof rice. As you can see, I got 2 pieces of grilled fish or fried fish or whatever. With some nice jollof rice. Actually, you know you're in Nigeria because that's definitely long grain rice right there. Drinking some Eva water or Eva, whatever you want to call it, Eva. This is the best water in Nigeria. That's what people are telling me. Yeah. This is looking nice. Obviously, for a bit of sugar. Got some Mirinda. Black cam. You know them ones? Blah. To the cam. Anyways. Bro, I'm not... Damn, I didn't know my hands were that big in that iPad. I'm using the iPad still. That was okay. So yeah, this is what I'm eating. I'm going to demolish this. My brother's in the next room with my mum eating rice that is not jollof. But he has the chicken. I've got fish. I'm not complaining. I would rather have chicken, but hey, it is what it is. I haven't eaten in about almost 10 hours, 12 hours. You know, I still have them church songs in my head, you know. You know them songs like, Yahweh, Yahweh, oh Jesus, let it rain. Yeah, them sort of songs. Anyways, peace. So yeah, I don't know where you're from or how you do it where you're from, but this is how you finish jollof rice. Bolo, baka, boko, diaka, kaj. Yeah, so yeah, that's how you finish. That's how you finish jollof rice with fish. Yeah, fish. Some nice fish. Can't remember what fish it is. I've had this fish many times. Damn, how can I not remember the name of this fish? It is what it is, but it tasted good. It's definitely, it can't be mackerel. Mackerel for the buttons. Damn, I'm trying to think. There's no time for thinking. But those bones got chewed. To be honest, some people say I'm a disgrace. There's, you know, people chew these bones much better than that. So yeah, that was nice. Peace. Oh yeah. There's one thing I'm gonna add to, like, before I close and go to bed. You know, resting after my jollof rice, or as some Caribbeans would call it, Jollof rice. I hear some people saying Jollof. It's Jollof. No, I'm joking. We call it. I don't care what you call it in it, but it's Jollof though. Like, let's not. Come in. I'm doing a video, man. Bro, close the door.
Close the door. Why are you taking the time?
Oh yeah, my brother and my mum just walked into the room. Say hello.
Hello, people.
Yeah, they just walked into my room. I was just doing a little rant on when I was dancing. You know that fast tempo song? Where it was going dum 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 dum. It was that fast tempo song, yeah. And all of a sudden, yeah, some guy. Yeah, my mom's trying to distract me looking at some bracelet that I'm wearing. And yeah, some guy was doing some next snake belly dance routine, like some possessed snake, just rolling up to me like, ooh, yeah, like I don't know, like it was a bit camp. And then mum just fully blanked me. Trust me. What with the dance?
Just dancing. Just dancing, but with a lot more.
You know what? I don't have a problem with the dance.
A lot more flexible.
I actually don't have a problem with the dancing. I'm just making fun of it. I don't have a problem with the dancing. He has every right to dance how he wants to. But when he went and touched my hands, that went too far. That went against the code. Like, don't come dancing to me.
He touched everyone except mine. I don't know why if I look too serious.
Oh no, he looked at my face and thought, ooh, he looks at the sort of person who wasn't doing the salsa, the cha-cha. Like, no.
Yo, he never came up to me once. Even when it was just the other guy that was next to us. No,
And then some other guy who was behind us was like, yo, I want a piece of that action. And then they started doing like, you know, simultaneous dance routines. They were looking like Cleopatra, some Egyptian warrior. I don't know, man. Some Egyptian princess bull. But you know what? He was happy. So, you know, God bless the guy. He was happy. But don't be grabbing my two hands. That's just... No, don't be doing that. Like, this is not some romantic dance. You don't... What's wrong? What is that? Rainwater?
You don't waste it, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some tissue from your room. I don't know. Like, when I need to do what you do in the toilet. I'm talking rubbish. Because my TV's better than yours. Wow, that's magic. That wasn't there. That wasn't there. That wasn't there. That. Wow, she gave me the Jawasem. She gave me the Jawasem treatment. Anyway, salute to the people who were dancing. They were very happy, yeah. But you just don't be touching my two hands like that. That's just weird. It's a bit weird, you know. Like just. Yeah, definitely. I'm definitely a moaner. I love it, man. If there was a moaning event in the Olympics, I'd have to train for that, man. I could moan about this pillow. Bro, you moan yourself. Yeah, we do. I am from a family of whingers.
I don't moan. I hate.
Alright. I never really thought of that.
Yours is too serious.
Yeah, he's just sarcastic. Like, let's name one thing my brother hate. Steven Gerrard. I don't know. He's a legend, yeah. Just you didn't mind him, but as he got old, you just parring him all the time. Like, oh, he's crap. He's slow. Why is he? You know, I don't have a problem with cussing Frank Lampard, but I'm pretty sure most people who watch this are not into football. But anyway, I'm gonna end this on this note. Yeah, the dancing was nice. The songs were nice. Just don't be touching my two hands. If you want me to dance, just just use some hand expressions and just say come. I was just doing the two-step. That's it. That's good enough for me. Nod my head at two-step. But he was on some next belly dance thing. No, I'm good. But you know, other guys went to join him. It was funny. It looked like. Nah, that would be rude. So anyway, I'm gonna leave this here. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, like the video. If you didn't, feel free to dislike. You know, you can always dislike. You know, it's no big deal. You know, don't just dislike for the sake of it, and don't like it for just for the sake of it. You know, that's my bed. Wow, mid-20s, still getting told off. And I invited them in my room as well. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Good luck to the non-believers. And yo, you see, so he is the hater. He is the hater. Why is it crap? I say that. Alright, if people in the comments say you don't like that, yeah, I'll just stop saying it. I'll just say peace. See, people don't get to hear my brother speak often. He's the real hater. You know DJ Star, yeah? He's.
Do you think anyone knows DJ Star that will watch this?
Alright, go on DJ Vlad, yeah? And then look out.
Martin Luther King.
Martin Luther King. What do you know about Martin Luther King?
What do you know?
I had a dream!
Have you finished?
Sorry. So as I said, yeah, good luck to the non-believers. And God bless to the believers. Except my brother, he's a hater. Cool. Peace.